Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Luciia Maiss was born on August 13, 1996 in Alicante, Spain. She will be 26 on August 13, 2022. Her astrological sign is Leo. Luciia Maiss stands 5 feet 3 inches tall or 160 centimeters, body type, large. She has a beautiful brown hair and hazel eyes color. Marital status, unknown. Nationality, Spanish. Luciia Maiss was raised in Spain alongside her sister, Luciia Maiss, who is also a body positivity activist and top plus-size model. The voluptuous Spanish beauty is currently living in Alicante, Spain, but spends most of her time in Los Angeles, California, United States. She became active on social media since March 2016 and started her modeling career the same year. Luciia Maiss has worked with numerous clothing brands in Spain and United States, such as Shine Curve, Fashion Nova Curve, We Are We Wear, Mermaid Hair, Forever 21 Plus and several other brands. On Instagram, the big beautiful model has attracted more than 112,000 followers who can't stop admiring her enormous natural curves. Luciia Maiss loves swimming, traveling and spending time with her lovely twin sister, Luciia Maiss.